Start with calming background music to set a peaceful tone. Introduce the video with, "Welcome to Daily Prayer VN." Today, we come together to pray for the recovery of those who are suffering from illness. Whether it's ourselves, our family members, or our loved ones, we believe in the power of prayer to bring healing. Let's trust in God's strength and pray for swift recovery and restoration. Talk about the importance of recovery, both physically and emotionally, and the role prayer plays in the healing process. Recovery is not only about physical healing, but also about finding peace in the midst of pain. Illness can take a toll on our bodies, but it also tests our spirit. Today, let's come together in prayer, asking for God's mercy to bring about a swift and complete recovery for those who need it most. Lead the prayer, speaking with compassion and clarity. Invite viewers to join in. Lord, please help me recover from this illness. Bring me from pain to health and restore peace to my body and mind. I believe that with your strength, I can overcome all difficulties and return to a life full of hope. I trust that your healing power will help me regain my vitality and strength. Give viewers a moment to reflect and pray along silently. Feel free to repeat the prayer to allow them to connect deeply with the words. Encourage viewers to share their recovery stories or prayer requests in the comments section. If you or someone you love is recovering from illness, we invite you to share your prayer requests or experiences with us in the comments below. Let's lift each other up in prayer and believe in God's healing touch together. End the video with a message of hope and a reminder to subscribe for the rest of the prayer series. Thank you for joining us in prayer today. May you or your loved ones experience a swift recovery, restored health, and peace. Remember, God is with you in every step of this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Prayer VN for the next prayer in our 7-day healing series. May God bless you with healing and strength.